Hello, everyone. This is Calvin, the interior designer for the Savant Company, and we are here at the Fayetteville project where we're having the home built by Southland Builders for the client. And so this is where we had all of this land, but there's the front, and that's where there's the other side of the entrance right over there. And so now we're here. They're going to be pouring the concrete or the foundation tomorrow. So with all this weather that we've been having, strange weather, they had to wait for some things so that the concrete had, so we have enough dry days to make it do what it does. Can't have too many hot days because concrete can't cool that fast or otherwise it'll crack and all this. There are a lot of different things that go into play with even pouring a foundation. But let me show you a picture of the slab. I can't. There's the foundation. That's where it's going. So I'm going to tell you, I'm a little bit scared because in my mind, I can visualize where the rooms are and see the house feels so small, way smaller than what I thought. But I mean, it's still a 4,000 square foot home. I mean, it's still big. There's a second story and that type of stuff. But just walking in the layout, I'm thinking that I'm going to be buying all of this furniture, but the furniture is not going to be that huge. And it's not going to be that much of it. With just bedrooms. I'm sorry. Hearth rooms, so family room, sectionals, maybe a formal great room where we're going to have a sofa, 2 chairs, and accent tables and those types of things in the house. And there it is. So right here is the 3-car garage. Right there is the 3-car garage. And then you enter into the house right there. And so from there you go into the mud room and then you come through the kitchen and you're into the home. The front door is all the way around here. So there'll be a nice little garden path that'll come around here. And when I say garden path, I don't mean garden literally. What I mean is that it's not going to be a straight sidewalk. When I say garden path, what I mean is that the path is going to have some type of curve and winding to it so that it looks more natural than more just straight lines and man-made. And so that's going to come and probably to the front door, and we're going to have the landscape architect come out here after the foundation and everything has been poured so that we can get a good visual of here are the dimensions, here's where the house is, here where the corners of the house are. So we want light shining up on this. And now, again, all of this stuff will be adjusted once the brick and everything goes on this house. And then we start looking at how how light moves over the home and how, what's going to cast shades and those types of things. But we got to get an electric gate all the way down there with an intercom system. We got to get a generator for this whole house, which I need to discuss with the contractor today. And there's our well. See our well pump right back there? And that takes electricity. So you still got to get the water to the house, even though you're on a well. So that's why we're going to have this generator out here. Now we are too far out that they can't run a gas line. And to run a gas line all the way out here, because none of the neighbors have it, the closest point is all the way up on Highway 92. So that we would have to pay, it was like around $40,000 to $50,000 to get the gas ran all the way from Highway 92 all the way down into the house. Now that is, you can have that done, just so you know. That is something that you work out with your county. And then when other homes come in the neighborhood and they want gas, then they give you relief on your bill as those other homes get connected. So yes, you may pay it now, but you get it back later as other homes come here and they want gas and they tap into the line that you've had run. So just so you know, when you're building a house and they say you don't have, we don't have any gas lines close. So now you have to look and see that your whole house is probably going to be electric, which they can easily get electricity out here. Everyone has electricity. But this house is going to be on propane because the client does want gas. So we're either going to bury the tank in the ground or I'm going to create a structure and make it look like the house over on the left hand side of the house, where it will house this unit so that it can be filled and accessed through the back of their property. And that's all the way back there. But they're going to have, a boat house will be back there. The pool house can still go on center right, right over here, in this area right here. That is, where am I pointing to? There it is right there, right here. Right here is the patio, their patio. And so off from this patio will be the pool house that will sit right here. Then in back of the pool house will be the guest house. Back of the guest house will be the boat house. Back of the boat house will be the garden. Those types of things. And it keeps going back. But hey, I just wanted to give you guys a project update here. So we're on site. I just had to come down here, check out a couple of things before they continue to move forward and before I set up meetings with other vendors and those types of things. So thank you so much for watching. Check back with us to see how this project turns out. I'm going to have to title this in some kind of way. But anyway, have a great day and thanks for watching. On to the next project.